Looks like there's another wedding that will soon take place. So cool after Nomsa's wedding didn't go well, and I know that you guys know this already, but nonetheless, let's discuss this and more in this video. You guys surely know by now that after Kaya's death, his lawyer came and told the family that Kaya's assets will automatically go to Nandi, all because Kaya did not have a will. So, as Kaya's wife, everything that Kaya owned will have to go to her. And as we all might expect, Osokulu are not really happy with this whole arrangement, so they are trying to find all possible ways to get those assets to come back to them. On last week Friday's episode, Umalume came out with an idea, and that was Chuma marrying Nandi. Smart, ne? Phela, if Chuma marries Nandi, all Nandi's assets will now belong to Chuma, and that is a win for the family. Chuma initially refused to do this, but eventually came back to his senses and decided that he will take this one for the team and agreed to marry Nandi, which means that we are now going to have a wedding was so cool. So, on the Monday episode, Osokulu met with Nandi's family to negotiate the way forward. You guys should have seen Nandi's reaction. She told both the families to go to hell, and honestly, I'm not really concerned about Nandi because she can change her mind anytime. My only concern is Solomzi. Phela, Solomzi fought so hard for Nandi. So I'm here wondering how is he going to feel when Chuma and Nandi get married. Phela, he fought so hard on the Friday episode when he heard about this news. He even promised the family that he's going to talk to Nandi if they stop with this wedding thing. Nano would see if this wedding could take place. I am sensing a huge rivalry between Solomzi and Osokulu. And once he leaves Osokulu, it's obvious there's only one door that is going to knock on, and that is Rebecca's door, which might be a little bit interesting to watch. So guys, do comment in the comment section, what do you think about this topic? And if you enjoy content in this video, please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. And don't forget to share this video on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.